All set now, ready to race. Race number 2. First, Pick 5 event. And the race is on. Arbindugo from the outside is Gold Cugat. Moving up by Daralka Tipunera is Lyotar. While the favorite Tensil's Friend is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Arbindugo. By Hapaland, followed by Katipunera in second. Lyotar racing in third alongside is Gold Cugat. Tensil's Friend moving up by Daryl, taking the fourth spot. And as they race the last 700, Arbindugo by Hapaland, followed now by Islyotar in second. Katipunera, Tensil's Friend racing on the outside, taking the third spot, and still moving up as they race the last 500. Arbindugo by a length and a half this time, followed by Islyotar. Tensil's Friend racing on the outside in between runners as they race the last 200. Arbindugo by about 2 lengths, followed by Tensil's Friend in second, and Islyotar last 100 meters. Arbindugo by about 3, and finally Arbindugo with scintillating run over number 2, Tensil's Friend, Islyotar, Katipunera,